pizza owners don't want you to know this. Make this pizza without needing to make dough, and there you have it. In 10 minutes, let's start here by cutting this edge of the bread, guys. If you prefer, you can leave it, but here I'm going to remove it. Repeat this process with the rest of the breads, and now we just move to a pizza pan. I've already moved it to the pan here, and I've molded it, placing it in all corners. Now on top we are going to add tomato sauce. The quantity will depend on your taste. Then just spread it well. Now on top I'm going to add mozzarella. The quantity also depends on your taste. I will now add a little more oregano. Now on top I'll spread pepperoni, reminding you that you can use the filling of your preference. Add chicken plus a little ham is up to your taste, and just put it in the oven at 180 degrees and let it go until the cheese melts. And look at this, guys, how amazing this pizza is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at your house, and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until next time, and thanks.